Humans need a lot of energy in our day-to-day lives. We need 5.5 into 10 to the power 20 watts a day. Now, we have many sources of getting this energy, but each one is plagued with its own issues. So, we need a source of energy that is never ending and very efficient. It should also be clean. This is the sun. The sun produces roughly 3.8 into 10 to the power 26 watts a second. So why don't we just put more solar panels? It isn't that simple, because the earth only receives 1/1000th of the sun's total energy. So if we want the sun's total energy output, we should put the solar panels around the sun. Now comes the Dyson sphere. Not the company Dyson, but the hypothesis coined by a certain Freeman J. Dyson. You may think of something like a rigid structure of solar panels around the sun. But there are two issues. A rigid structure around the sun is susceptible to damage by small asteroids. Also, solar panels are costly, they are very inefficient to build and are fragile. Now comes the Dyson swarm. A Dyson swarm are like many mirrors revolving around the sun, which reflect the light to a central collecting unit, which then beams it back to wherever it's required. Now, to make this, we would have to largely get the resources from a planet. The planet should be rich in metallic resources. The planet should also be close to the sun, preferably with a low gravity and a low amount of atmosphere. This planet does exist, and it's called Mercury. We would have to set up a permanent residence on Mercury. Once we do that, we can collect our resources and start constructing our hexagonal metallic foils with little support, aka the reflectors. Once we made them, we have to get them into space. Using rockets is just fiddly and expensive. Hence, we should use something like a railgun, an electromagnetic device which can propel an object to high velocities. Once we get our reflectors in space, we should get a collector as well, which can then collect the light and beam it elsewhere. Once both of those are up in space, one will make the power to make another one. Two will make the power for two more, which will be 4. 4 to 8. 8 to 16. And 60 doubling cycles, we would have covered the entire circumference of the sun. The reason the Dyson sphere is so important is because, number one, it can give us almost infinite amounts of energy. Number two, this energy can aid us in becoming an interstellar race. Thank you.